Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So today I got my final nylon bag. Yay. And I put the other one in there so I can show you both at the same time. The one I received with my pick of the Dooney bag of the month. And now I got the other one I was waiting for. And the one got canceled. Apparently I bought too many, so they canceled it. So it's okay. I mean, I was just only trying to get it for the promo, but the promo is still there if you want to go pick some up for $40 if you buy something $100 or more on Dooney and Bourke, the official site. So jump right in. I'm so excited for these colors. When I ordered my original set, which I have some videos too if you want to go look at them, I didn't know these darker colors were available because the lighter colors, these nylon bags, are a little see-through. They're very lightweight, so you can see through them. But on these darker ones, I'm hoping that won't be the issue. Although I love mine. I've been using all my colors. I love them. They're so nice, lightweight bags. A must-have for someone who likes to travel and carry a lot for their lightweightness. So I would encourage everyone to go and get a couple if you can. So this is the one from the video I showed you that came with my bag of the month pick, and it is so good. I didn't even know this color existed in these nylons. It's the brown Tomorrow front zip, guys. It is numbered. I don't know why. It says from 987. This one's number is 827. I mean, why even number them at this point? But they are numbered. So brown Tomorrow, guys. And then today came the last one. I'm so glad they didn't cancel this one. The one they canceled was white, like an ivory color. I was really looking forward to seeing that in person, but they didn't let me have it. Apparently I bought too many, so they canceled it. They said I could get it for the original price. I'm like, no, I'll wait for a next term. But look at this one. This one is olive, guys. Wow, can you believe? I didn't even know they had this. And again, this one is numbered. Now this one is a little better numbers, like a more rare. I guess it's from 209. This one is number 80. And of course, there's no sticker. No, I don't know what you're doing, Dooney. These came from Dooney. They're not even from the outlet. But the outlet, I could justify maybe they don't want to send it because you're getting a better deal or something in there. They don't send you the stickers, but from Dooney directly, come on. You should do a little better, Dooney. Okay. Jump right in. I love having these different colors. I can't wait to use it. I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of these colors. This is the olive, guys. Look. Isn't this gorgeous? So lightweight. Beautiful. This is so beautiful with the straps and the leather here in this nice beige taupey color. I think the olive looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is after I do this unboxing real fast, I will go outside and put it in the garden so you guys can see the true colors, and I will stuff them so you can see their shape. Look at this. Very, very easy to care for. These are perfect for traveling. Like I said, look. I could shove this into my bag of the day right here, guys. I am in my suede logo lock, Dooney, and this would have no problem going in there. And of course, I love my Dooney suedes, but even those are a little heavy if you put a lot like me. So these are wonderful, wonderful bags to get. So here it is, olive, guys. Let me show you the brown Tomorrow. I think these two colors are a staple to have. If you like the darker colors like I do, the autumny colors as I like to call them, I love these too. Wow, they are so pretty in person. So here it is, brown Timara, guys. Look, isn't this gorgeous? Again, with the beige handle and the stitching and the cord, it is so pretty, so classy. And I think, as I suspected, these are not going to be as see-through. I can't even see through them holding them so close. Look, olive and brown Timara. Let's check out the inside. Someone asked me in the questions, what does the inside look like? So the inside and the outside is the same. There is no lining on these nylons. No lining. It is just the one piece that is just sewn with the simplest way. Like, they just put a zipper on there and the handles, and that's it. There is no additional lining. I think that's why they could be a little bit more reasonable at price, because there wasn't a lot of materials made. You have a zipper inside. Very nice. The zipper matches the zipper outside. Okay. And that's it. You have the red lining, in, like the, I want to say trim. Is that what it would be? The red trim of the Dooney. I guess they want to put that in. And that is it, guys. And then the front zipper here. Very easy construction, very easy to take care of. I mean, these are a must-have. I think I have now 10 colors, 9 or 10. I love them all. And of course, it has that Dooney patch right here. A lot of people like it, and a lot of people don't like this patch. I don't know why. I happen to like it. I don't know what the problem is for people who don't like it. I mean, it suits the, I think it does well with the nylon, because it is a type of nylon itself with the stitching. So cute. I think a must-have, guys. So thank you for joining me here on another video. This is an awesome community. I want to say thank you to my fellow YouTubers who watch and comment. I so appreciate all of you. Oh, wait a minute. This one, the olive. Okay, so the stitching in here is not red, guys. It is not red. It's an olive. Look. Wow, I love it. I think this is better. Why doesn't Dooney do all of them like that? Match the stitching. Zipper, of course, in the back. Yeah, this one had a different inside, but it is still the same one piece of nylon. No inner any kind of leather or anything else. It's just the one piece of nylon. Look at that. But yeah, you can't, it doesn't have the red. That's weird, but I kind of like that better. I wish you had done that to all of them, like the blue one and the yellow ones that I have. See the red here? That red really shows through because they are so lightweight and kind of see-through, but I love this. So yeah, the guys, the olive doesn't have the red stitching. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing for my fellow friends here and Dooney and Bourke lovers. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna go outside and do some shots for you guys of them in the garden. Look at that. So you guys can get a feel of the color, like a true color it is outside. Brown Timara, olive, nylon, zip. What is this called anyway? Did I say the name right? It is called the front zip tote, guys. Front zip tote from Dooney and Bourke. Thank you so much for dropping by. If you're new here, I am Tara. Welcome. Thank you to everyone who watches my videos. I so appreciate everyone who gives me your time. And I know there's so many videos out there that you could be watching, and you choose to spend that time with me. I am so grateful. Thank you. If you haven't, please subscribe, share, tell your friends, everyone. My channel is dedicated to beautiful bags and makeup, whatever makes me happy. And of course the garden, which we're going to be doing a lot more of soon. And there you have it, guys. Brown Timara, olive. I will see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.